As always, the Royal New Zealand Air Force put on a great series of displays for the crowd throughout Easter weekend, both on the ground and in the air. First up on a dark and wet morning was the heavy metal flyby of the Boeing 757 and P3-K Orion aircraft. The Air Force's two 757s were purchased in 2003 to replace the ageing Boeing 727s, previously operated by No. 40 Squadron. The 757s are used in a VIP and personnel transport role around the globe. Despite the fact that these aircraft are essentially civilian airliners, in the hands of an experienced military crew, they can still put on an impressive airshow display. The RNZAF's Lockheed P3 Orion aircraft are operated by No. 5 Squadron based in Auckland. Five Squadron is New Zealand's only maritime patrol unit, and its area of operations ranges from the Antarctic through to the equator. Orion carries a crew of 11, and with two engines shut down to conserve fuel, can remain airborne for 15 hours.